All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here in Kaukauna, Wisconsin today. We're at the Riverview Middle School, Kaukauna School District. The building you see behind me happens to be 100 years old this year. So for its 100th year anniversary, we decided to give it a facelift. The staining you're seeing on the building is a combination of organic matter and organic growth. You're seeing lichen, mildew, mold growing on there. So we use specialized soaps that are made here in the United States. They're specifically designed to preserve the limestone and the mortar and the brick without damaging it. It involves a low pressure, high volume rinse. We don't want to use a high pressure because you can damage the limestone, damage the mortar. So it's a low pressure, high volume type rinse. And also, not only are we doing the brick, we're also cleaning the windows. The windows are getting cleaned with a pure water system and a carbon fiber pole with a brush on the end. So as you can see in the background, there's a significant before and after difference. Here we're looking at is a little over 32,000 square feet that need to be cleaned. So it takes some unique equipment. Most of the equipment we have is custom built to handle large projects like this and to get it done efficiently and in a timely manner. The employees here at Schmidt Exterior Cleaning have a lot of experience working with lifts, working with different structures, different surfaces that need to be cleaned to get a successful end product. You need employees that like to work and know how to use the equipment and are educated on the process of the cleaning. This is a building that's central to the community and an integral part of the educational system here in Kaukauna. For everybody to drive by this, drop their kids off, and just look at this building and admire the architecture and the work that went into building this building. For us to turn it back to its original state and to make it look its best is very satisfying for us at Schmidt Exterior Cleaning.